Good. There's a thunderstorm outside, but this shouldn't keep us up, right? So, I felt rebellious again, as I am apparently a tool rebel, even though I said last time I do not agree with that slogan. But anyway, here we go. This is the Micro Big Pack 1. I thought it was called Kraftform Big Pack 1, right? These are the mini screwdrivers, which should replace this set I bought like 1,000 years ago, which served me well, but yeah, they're like 20 years old and need to be upgraded. So I thought, let's go all in and get something good. Right, what do we have here? We have a precision zone, a power zone, fast spinning zone, free spinning cap, holding function. So it's magnetized. We have color coding, and we have a whole lot of bits in there. No, it's not bits because they're attached to them, but we have a whole lot of types. Anyway, don't use as pry bar. Okay, I will try. Surely have a look at it. Da, 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 da. Ooh, again. This package, the sticker, some Velcro to stick it somewhere, some paper, and that's it. This is about the adhesive for the Velcro. Okay, again with the nice 3D rubber tool. So you can wait for it. Where is it? Oh no. Let me wait a second. So I'm of the impression that there's some kind of design language going on with these. Anyway, so here we are. Ooh, nice tool roll. And that's it. That's a whole lot. Oh, and they're actually color coded. Okay, let's pick one at random. Do not use it as pry bar, they say, right? And the first thing you pick is kind of mini pry bar. What is this? A 1429? Maybe? I don't know. Okay, I don't know what I bought. Anyway, it's black, so maybe the color coding helps. No. Okay, it's black, but there is no black here. It's just gray. Great. And there's a sticker. Quality control. Thank you for checking the quality. I'm getting ahead of myself. As again, we have this little ledge. Is it a ledge? No, we have this loop here to hang it. Nice. This is really compact. I like it. And let's check out the size. Obviously, we are at 14.5 centimeters, give or take. 5-something-8 inches. Don't know. So nice. This is a little rubber here, so the green stuff is a little, don't know, it's a little grippy. Nice. Oh, this is the way. And then we have the Torx. Okay, I can go through everything, but Yeah, we will see. It's so tiny it doesn't focus. But, there it is. IPR. Is this Torx? This is Torx. Okay, I don't know what I got. But this looks like everything I need in the future. Except for Game Boy stuff, maybe. Oh, that's what I needed 5 minutes ago. Great. 5.5 hex. The slipping action is also quite nice and intuitive. Okay. Like this, let me check if I have a screw lying around. There's a screw, see? There's always a screw nearby. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, this is really... They are really long. Okay, let's have a look at the long ones. 18 centimeters and 8 centimeters of reach. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Yep. And the stiction is real. Yes, I know it's the wrong size. Just checking if the holding capacity is working. Also some hexes. Really, really nice. Okay, so that's the back of screwdrivers, right? What did we expect? They are high quality. The fidget spinning stuff is also working well. They're really nice to grip. Obviously, I hope the tips last as long as the last ones. I have to get used to the color coding. Hex, hex. Ding dong. I really have to get used to the color coding. Where's the orange one? Oh, maybe I can do Game Boy stuff with this. Because there's this 3-sided one also included. Nice, looking good. So, electronics disassembly. I'm prepared. Again. And I can get rid of the old screwdrivers. Which means I won't get rid of them, I will just put them in the bag and use them to pry. Okay, now it's getting the real used look. No, it's not the used look, it's a tool look, right? As if it's being used, which is not, but it will be. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye!